Also in the news now, one of Mumbai's major roads, the Sion-Panvel highway, is in a pathetic state, riddled by potholes. It has witnessed more than 100 accidents in the last 3 months alone. In fact, as many as 5 people have been killed in the accident on this highway in the last 2 months. Now an FIR has been registered against the Sion-Panvel toll private contractor by activist Deepak Singh. Police, however, refused to register an FIR against the PWD on this matter.
It's been almost a week that you have filed this FIR. So has police taken any action against the
police is taking action. They have given the notice to the contractor SPTPL, Sion-Panvel Tolls Private Limited. But I don't think it's going to make any kind of big difference, because daily you will find 1 or 2 accidents are happening. You are coming at daytime. If you will come at night time, the situation is really pathetic. No street light is there. Big holes are there. At some places under construction work is not yet completed from last 2 years, although they are collecting tolls from all the commercial vehicles.
You also wanted to file an FIR against the PWD, but police refused to file so?
Yeah, police told me that PWD has given the contract to the contractors. Therefore the sole responsibility is of contractors, so they are not filing on PWD. But when we ask the PWD officials, they are telling that we are doing the maintenance work behalf of contractor, but although we have raised all the fund to the contractor, they are not doing their work. So there is core responsibility of the contractor, so fight against.
Certainly I'm standing here on the Sion-Panvel highway, and first of its kind an FIR has been registered against a road contractor, Sion-Panvel Tolls Private Limited. I have the copy of the FIR with me. If I can ask my camera person to zoom in. The case has been registered again under section 337 and 338, which is causing negligence, and it is a bailable offence. And the reason for filing an FIR by an activist Deepak Singh is only because there have been more than 5 deaths in the past 2 months and more than 100 plus accidents because of this poor quality of roads. You can see we are exactly standing on the bridge, and you can see there are potholes because of rains. And this is not only the situation here, but if I can ask my camera person to zoom in, the 2 stretches of the road that you see, this is equally bad, filled with potholes. And when we spoke to PWD on the same, what they have been claiming is that there is a sole responsibility only of the contractor, and they have completely washed off their hands. This FIR has been registered by an activist Deepak Singh, and what we learn is that a notice already has been sent to the road contractor, but no further action has been taken on this particular front. More than 5 deaths have happened in the past 2 months, and more than 100 plus accidents in the past 3 months alone. In fact, what we also understand is that the activist is not satisfied with the kind of action that has been taken by the police, because it is clearly a blame game here. When we spoke to PWD, what they told us is that it was a mere responsibility of the contractor, and they have completely washed off their hands. So now, if there is no further action taken, in another week's time, the activist will also file an PIL and will go to the court. This is Isha Shah for Mirror Now.
5 deaths in the last 2 months alone. In fact, an FIR has been registered against the contractor. Now, Disha also drove through the Sion-Panvel highway to figure out how bad the situation is.
Okay, so we decided to travel from Kharghar to Kalamboli, our destination, which generally and usually takes 5 minutes. But looking at the condition of the roads and the bad quality of roads, let's see how much time we take. So let's start with our journey. It's barely been 30 seconds that we have been driving, and here you see the bad roads have already begun, and because of the bad roads and the quality, we can see that there are traffic jam here. This route usually takes 5 to maximum 10 minutes to reach, but as you can see, because of bad roads, there are traffic jam and we are here stuck in jam. And we still have not reached our destination. We are still in traffic jam. So it's been 20 minutes that we had started our ride from Kharghar. And we were going to go to Kalamboli, but now which usually is a distance of 7 minutes, 10 minutes maximum, but it's been more than 20 minutes and we are still stuck in traffic just because of bad roads and bad quality of roads, potholes, paver blocks and uneven layers of roads that I can see in front of me. The stretch and the layer of a road which is riddled and filled with potholes. So here we are, finally we have reached our destination, Kalamboli. The distance which usually takes normally 5 to 10 minutes, it took us half an hour to reach only from Kharghar to Kalamboli toll plaza, just because the entire stretch of the road was riddled with potholes, bad quality of roads. And this is not generally on this stretch of the road, but we have been driving right from Mankod to Kalamboli, the entire stretch of the Sion Panvel highway, and this is crossing the major pockets of the highway. This is Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
In fact, we here at Mirror Now believe that authorities who run our cities should be held accountable for any inefficiency on their part that causes physical harm to citizens or endangers their life. The following is a petition we intend to present to the Prime Minister's office. Sign this petition if you believe it is time to fix accountability for civic negligence. Sign if you think it is time we hold our elected representatives and the bureaucrats responsible for doing their jobs.